Hey Mallory, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I know Joshua reached out to you earlier and you spoke with him a bit on the phone. So let's take a look at your website, the back end of it as well, and see if there's anything we can do to help you guys out. Right off the bat though, I really love everything that's going on over here. SVB Wood Floors, quality results, call, both numbers are click to call, excellent gallery, install, finish, very solid. I love everything about this website and everything that's going on. Kansas City, #1 hardwood flooring company, excellent. You have content, you have pictures, you talk about what it is you're offering. Um, got nothing bad to say. I'm actually really impressed with everything that's going on. I would say have like little things about your service in here, like each one, like not the install, but like the hardwood floor part, maybe the LVP, different things that you're offering. But otherwise, hey, I'm gonna let it all go on that one. It looks great. Let's take a look at the back end over here, Mallory, see what's going on. So you have an excellent UR, good DR. A UR rating is how good your website is, and a DR rating is how much Google trusts you. All of that's backlinks. You have about 5,500 of them. Now, not all of them are going to be exactly what you want, right? Some of them are going to be more spammy than others, BuzzFeed, Wikipedia stuff. It's quality over quantity. But a backlink is essentially where you have your website link somewhere else where somebody can click on it. And a referring domain is when they do return to you. Now, you want the ones that are more credible than others, of course, and that lead back to you that, will help Google look at you and say, oh, they're actually doing really good. Now, UR and DR, obviously, you want in the 30s and 40s, but, you got one out of two. You do have 11,000 keywords, and you are bringing in 14,000 people to your website. Here's the difference, though. I was very excited when I saw that you have 11,000 keywords because I was going to say, excellent job. You don't need me for anything. Keep doing what you're doing. And then I looked at the keywords. I'm going to scroll all the way back up. A keyword is supposed to be something that's very unique to get a specific kind of demographic, right? You want people who are searching for a specific service, but also living in your area. So every keyword you want to rank for should have a variation of a service and a location in order to get the best results. Because you don't want people calling you or looking at your website from Canada, because that's not going to help you. So as you can see on the right side under URL, all of these are from your blog. All blog. That's a problem because refinishing versus resurfacing hardwood floors is just information for people. So anyone in the world can be typing this stuff in. You're getting traffic. By the way, this is page 2. I already went through page 1. Same thing, all blog. So you're getting traffic, but you're not getting the right kind of traffic. And some of these people, by blind luck, might live in your area, but that's not a promise either. So let's scroll through. I'm looking for something, like I said, very, very, very specific. Hardwood floor, Kansas City. You're getting 38 people a month because you're in position number 3. That's very important. You don't want, though, how to repair a scratch on hardwood floor because that's not somebody who's going to call you. Neither will this guy. How to buff out scratches. So you definitely want to make sure we're focused. You, not we, but you are focusing on those kind of stuff. It's a service and it's a location, and that's where I am a little bit sad because the amount of keywords you have, I was hoping to see a lot more that has to do with location and service. So like this one, hardwood floor finish in Kansas City. 250 searching, you got 25 because you're in position number 5. That's what you want. Kansas City hardwood flooring, 250, 25, you got 5. So there's just a lot that you have going on over here, and maybe it is that you have like you keep going on. Let's go to page 4 just for fun, right? Let's say that you have other, because you're still getting traffic even on, let's see, even on page 4, you're still pulling in traffic. So I guess I'm not really going to say anything bad over here. I'm just going to say that you have a lot of, stuff mud in the waters over here. But other than that, I'm really not going to complain much. I mean, there might be a way to target, specific keywords to push them up to the top. But I'm not really gonna say much. You don't need to contact us back. I mean, if unless you want to and you want to talk, options like that. But you're doing fine. I don't think you need any help. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. Um, but if you really wanted to kind of focus on, how to upgrade this and get these, some of them in a better ranking position, you would want to focus on the referring domain aspect, specifically the do follow part. But otherwise, no. You have an amazing day, Mallory. Thank you for your time, and you enjoy.